Welcome. In front of me is a TP-LINK Neffos Y5, and I'll show you how to check the IMEI number on this device. So to do it, we'll go into settings and then all the way down into about phone. And from here you will have the status, so tap on it. And then you should see IMEI info, which is right here. Tap on it and then you get basically IMEI for both of the SIM slots, so each one has its own separate one, as you can see. And yeah, that's basically how you can check it. Now usually there is also another way of a dialer. Not sure if it's gonna work, but I can always try. And I think it was something like this. There we go. And you also get the IMEI number like so. So once more to show it, it was like so, and then hash again, and you get it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.